Have you ever wanted to get attention from everyone around you? Maybe you're looking to make a statement or impress someone special. Whatever your reason, there are a few psychological tricks you can use to grab everyone's attention. Hi there, I'm your host, and in this video, I'll be sharing with you some tried and tested methods to help you stand out in a crowd. Before we dive into the techniques, it's important to understand the psychology behind them. Humans are wired to pay attention to things that stand out from their surroundings. We're drawn to novelty and things that are out of the ordinary. So how can you use this to your advantage? Let's find out. The first technique is to use bold, bright colors. Wearing a bright red shirt, for example, will make you stand out from the sea of black and gray around you. You don't have to go overboard, but adding a pop of color to your outfit can make a big difference. See how this person stands out from the rest of the crowd. That's the power of color. The second technique is to use your body language to your advantage. Standing up straight, making eye contact, and using open, expansive gestures will make you appear more confident and in control. People are naturally drawn to those who exude confidence. Notice how much more attention this person commands with just a few simple changes in body language. The third technique is to be a storyteller. Humans are wired to respond to stories. If you can tell a compelling story, you'll capture people's attention and keep them engaged. Whether you're giving a speech, chatting with friends, or meeting new people, try to weave a narrative into your interactions. It will make you more memorable and help you connect with others on a deeper level. The fourth technique is to use humor. Laughter is a powerful tool for capturing attention and building rapport. If you can make someone laugh, you'll instantly become more likable and approachable. Of course, humor can be a tricky thing, so make sure to use it appropriately and in good taste. The fifth and final technique is to be authentic. People can sense when someone is trying too hard or being fake. If you want to get attention from others, you need to be true to yourself and let your personality shine through. Remember, everyone has something unique and interesting to offer. By being yourself, you'll attract the right people and make a lasting impression. And there you have it, 5 simple but effective ways to get attention from everyone around you by using bold colors, confident body language, storytelling, humor, and authenticity. You can stand out from the crowd and make a lasting impression. So, next time you're looking to get attention from everyone around you, remember these techniques and watch as people start to take notice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content like this. See you in the next video.